In this video, I'll show you how to rotate a text box in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to create more dynamic layouts, design cleaner documents, or make your text stand out in a creative way. Whether you're making a flyer, a report, a poster, or just experimenting with formatting, rotating a text box can give your document a much more professional look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under the Create section and click Writer Document. This will open a new blank document where you can insert and edit your text box. Now, at the top menu, click Insert and then choose Text Box. This tells LibreOffice that you want to place a text box onto the page. Next, click and drag on the document page to draw your text box. You can make it as small or as large as you need. After that, click on the text box itself so it becomes selected. This step is important because you need the object selected before you can rotate it. Now look at the top toolbar and find the Rotate icon. It usually looks like a circular arrow. Click that Rotate tool, and then you'll see a rotation handle appear on the text box. All you need to do now is drag that rotation handle to turn the text box in the direction you want. You can rotate it freely until it sits at the perfect angle for your layout. If you want a more precise look, take your time and adjust the rotation slowly. This is especially helpful if you're aligning text boxes with other elements on the page. Once you're happy with the angle, just click away to finish the adjustment. At that point, your text box will stay rotated exactly the way you set it. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate a text box in LibreOffice Writer. It's a quick but powerful formatting trick that can really improve the appearance of your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.